What up, good people? Huge shout out to GMC StartUp for allowing me to review the 2025 Hummer EV. Today we're introducing the 2025 Hummer EV, a beast wrapped in electrifying Neptune blue matte finish. At 206 inches long and 77 inches tall, with an impressive 127-inch wheelbase and a towering 10-inch ground clearance, this all-electric supertruck is built to dominate any terrain. This Hummer EV is a 3-time trim that packs 3 electric motors that unleashes a jaw-dropping 830 horses for the instant torque 1200. This SUV can launch you from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds with a top speed of 112 miles per hour and an impressive efficiency 46 mpge on the highway and 58 mpge in the city. This beast redefined what an EV can do. The Hummer EV design is a striking blend of ruggedness and futuristic technology, and a nod to its iconic predecessor. This is evidenced in the Hummer EV SUV, unmistakable design, infused with signature cues, front lighting animation offering a futuristic reading, while its iconic H illuminate tail lamps leave a lasting impression, a revolution that just passed you by. This have an MSRP of $140,000. With the key fob in my pocket, the door unlocked. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with Lunar with black leather. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your compass, on the right you have your options, in the middle you have your MPH. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your timer, driver assist, off-roading, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your Super Cruise. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking with your trunk and front release, alongside your lane keep assist with your one-touch window control. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your power start button. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 13.4-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This vehicle have 8 different camera angles. You have your dual climate control with your heated and ventilated seats. The buttons right here are your heated seats with your 4-wheel and 2-wheel lock, alongside your traction control, electronic parking. Now we're unveiling your 2 USB outlet with your wireless charging pad. You have your cup holder area. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a 1-speed reduction gear. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your height adjustment with your crab walk. Now we're making our way inside the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. You have your glove box for extra storage space. This particular model have a rear view camera. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect OnStar with your 4G LTE network. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black and lunar leather. You have your climate control with your heated seats. You have your 2 USB outlets. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. If you double tap and hold the button on the key fob, the trunk will open up. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 35.9 cubic feet with all the seats folded down, measuring at 81.8 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You can put a couple of 50-inch TVs back here. You have buttons to fold down your rear seat. Now we're making our way to the front of the vehicle, measuring at 11.3 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty big. Once again, huge shout out to GMC StartUp for allowing me to view the 2025 Hummer EV. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.